Welcome to Math Station Mastery, your journey to engaging math stations. Hi everyone, welcome to the Math Station Mastery course. I'm Captain Starflare, and I'll be guiding you through this exciting professional learning experience designed to help you build, implement, and refine math stations in your classroom. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this course will provide you with tools, strategies, and insights to improve student engagement and mathematical growth. Now, one thing I want to highlight from the start is that designing and implementing online learning is an iterative process. That means we'll be continuously learning and adjusting along the way, which is key to making this course as effective as possible. So, let's dive into how the course is structured and what you can expect from the first couple of modules. Course Overview. This course is divided into 20 weeks, with alternating learning and practice weeks. Each learning week introduces you to new strategies and tools, while the practice weeks give you the chance to apply what you've learned directly in your classroom. This structure allows you to reflect on your experiences, adjust your approach, and continuously improve. One of the key points here is that you'll be supported throughout the process, with opportunities for peer feedback and ongoing reflection. By the end of the course, you'll have a fully implemented, data-driven math station system that's customized to meet the needs of your students. Module 1, Introduction to Math Stations. All right, let's talk about the first module, Introduction to Math Stations. In this module, we'll focus on understanding the concept and benefits of math stations. You'll explore what makes math stations an effective tool for your classroom and how they can drive deeper engagement and learning. During this module, you'll participate in group discussions and create a concept map to illustrate your understanding of math stations. This activity will help you break down the essential components of a successful station and think critically about how to apply them in your classroom. You'll also engage in a peer discussion where we'll share ideas and experiences with each other. The goal here is to learn not just from the course content, but from the collective wisdom of your colleagues. And remember, this is where the explorer mindset comes in. You'll be exploring new ways of thinking about your teaching practices. As you work through the module, keep in mind that the key takeaway is that math stations are more than just another classroom activity. They are an intentional structure designed to give students autonomy and responsibility over their learning, while allowing you to provide targeted support where it's most needed. By the end of Module 1, you'll earn your first badge, which symbolizes that you've taken your first step on this learning journey. Module 2, Basic Math Station Implementation. Next up is Module 2, where we'll move from learning into action. This is where the fun really begins, because you'll be implementing your first math station in your classroom. You won't just be watching a video or reading content, you'll be diving right into classroom practice. You'll start by setting up your math station using the design you created in Module 1. We've provided a simple setup checklist to guide you, but you're encouraged to be creative with the materials you have on hand. As you implement, pay close attention to how your students interact with the station. How do they move between activities? Are they engaged? What adjustments do you need to make? Your observations here are critical. You'll be tasked with documenting student reactions and reflecting on the experience. Think about these questions. Were students able to navigate the tasks independently? Which tasks did they find most engaging? Did you need to intervene or clarify instructions? This hands-on practice gives you the opportunity to see firsthand what works and what might need tweaking. Once you've completed your classroom implementation, you'll share your reflections with your peers in our discussion board. This is where collaboration comes in. You'll get feedback from other participants, and in return, offer your own insights on their implementations. The peer feedback is a key part of this process. Remember, learning is iterative. It's all about making adjustments and continuing to improve. The feedback you give and receive will help shape the next steps of your journey. Final thoughts. To sum up, this course is all about learning, applying, and improving. Through exploration, action, and reflection, you'll develop a system of math stations that works for both you and your students. I encourage you to fully engage in each module, embrace the feedback process, and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. I'm so excited to see how your journey progresses, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's get started. Head over to the introduction module, and I'll see you in the course.